disco. We love discos. We've got tattoos. You get your tattoo and you take the plastic off, then you get a wet cloth and you put the wet cloth on it for 30 seconds and then you keep checking till it's stuck on properly. Now it's ready. Kirsty? Before we go, we've got to practice our dancing. These are our tickets. Let's go! I'm right near the front of the line with my best friend Everett. We hang out with our friends. We buy some snacks. And we buy some things that glow in the dark.